We are loading up on chocolate today, everybody. What's going on? Hey, Crumb Boss.
Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Whoop, still your birthday.
Still my birthday. Well, not quite my birthday.
When is your birthday?
We're celebrating all week.
When's your birthday?
Next weekend.
What day?
May 7th.
May 7th. So what sign are you?
I am a Taurus.
Oh, so am I. No.
Oh, it's my birthday, too.
It's my birthday, too.
Who's making my birthday cake?
Me.
All right.
It's going to be a train wreck. Get ready.
Stay tuned, everybody. Steph, the producer, making my birthday cake.
But Crumb Boss down here made something spectacular, ladies and gentlemen.
Oreo. Can't go wrong with Oreos.
No, but this is like, let's discuss this for a second. It looks very dark. It looks very chocolatey. It looks like there's marshmallow on it, or is that something else?
No, that's our wonderful buttercream recipe. Can't go wrong with buttercream.
Yeah, exactly, because you know what? What's the thing?
If you don't have buttercream in your life sucks.
Yeah, because on Crumb Boss TV, we don't care.
That's right.
We don't care.
We don't care.
Do what you want. We don't care.
All right, everybody. We're going to take Oreo for a spin here. We're building on recipes. I'm not going to show you actually how to mix the brownie recipe, but we're going to make Oreo brownies. Rewind to Crumb Boss brownie recipe. Mix that up, and then you're going to just basically layer some Oreos in a pan, pour your brownie recipe over top of that, bake it, and there you have it.
So where's the brownies?
Well, I've already mixed the brownie batter here.
Wow, it looks so chocolatey.
Oh, of course, it's chocolate brownies. I have to say one thing, though, Oreo, if you're watching, I'm not crazy about this new design, okay? Lift, easy, open, pull tab.
Yeah.
Like, their whole idea of it is like that.
Yeah.
And then you can reclose it.
Yeah.
I can't get the ones on the side. Once
Once
I've used this middle
Yeah, you
strip,
screwed it up.
I can't get them out.
Yeah, look at you screwed it up, you
So
dope.
you know what I do? Taurus.
Yeah. Exactly. Like a Viking.
Rip it open.
But here's the thing. So you go back to opening up the package, right? Here, rip this open, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to eat I'm going to eat this whole sleeve. Let's just say eat that, right?
Yeah.
Now seal it up.
I've seen that happen
Okay,
before.
now it's an hour later, and I want to go back and get the other sleeve.
Yeah,
so how am I going to get that?
You can't. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Poor design, Oreo.
Yeah, all right,
Your
let me put this
intentions
back
were
in.
good.
But check this out, Oreo. I can stack them. Okay, go ahead. All right, here we go. But you know what, Oreo? We get a lot of hits on YouTube because of your cookies, so who cares?
All right. So, we're building on recipes. For this particular brownie recipe, you're going to need 3 recipes. Brownies, Crumb Boss buttercream, and ganache. All right? So you need 3 recipes to make this one brownie. All right? So what I've done is I have taken, this is a 10 by 10 pan, and I'm going to layer it. Well, I've actually already greased it with pan grease, and then I put a layer of parchment paper. See
Yeah,
that?
I see that. Yeah.
It really does help to release your brownies after they've done baking. So then I just laid the Oreos in here down on the bottom.
Okay.
All right. Now the one thing that I noticed happened when I did this earlier was that as soon as I poured my brownie batter into it, the Oreos floated up to the top, which is not a horrible thing.
Yeah. Let's see. Is it funny?
Yeah, then you just pour this over.
Oh, yeah, look at the Oreos are floating. It's cute.
All right.
Okay.
Now you're going to just follow the recipe like I showed you on the blog and bake it until it's done. Everybody's like, how long do I bake it? When is it done?
Oh, yeah.
See how they start floating
Wait,
up?
do it again. Do it again on the camera. Wait, do it again. Gretchen, you gotta see this. It's so cool. Wait, do it again. Look. Look. Look at them all. Okay, cool. Look,
right.
He's floated up.
Yeah, they're all going to do that, I noticed. But
Okay.
by the end of the baking time, they all will float up, but that's okay. So you're going to bake this at about 350 degrees until it's done. And you'll know it's done when you insert a toothpick into it and the toothpick comes out with moist crumbs on it. If there's no crumbs on it,
Then you don't follow the Crumb Boss,
No, if there's
and
no
you're all
crumbs.
messed up and you belong in the tank.
if there's no crumbs on it, you've overbaked your brownie. If there's still like liquidy brownie, then obviously you need
What's
to bake
that
it.
sign there? Why beat
This
it?
is somebody, one of my biggest fans. Actually, she works for me, Chelsea. She went to New Hampshire last weekend, and she picked this up for me in like an antique store. And I thought it was really cool because on the buttercream recipe, so many people ask me, Crumb Boss, can I mix the buttercream by hand? I'd love to see you try. So
I'll
this
do
is
it.
funny.
I'll bet you $20 I can do
I'd
it.
love to see you try it.
$20, Gretchen.
New challenge.
New challenge.
Your arm will fall off. You'll never achieve the volume necessary.
I'm
to
a
make
boxer.
Well, you might be able to do it to your standards, but the buttercream recipe is not going to come out properly.
Oh, okay.
I can guarantee you that. So anyway, this was a cool thing.
Look at all the Oreos. All the Oreos floated up.
Yeah, so they all are going to float up. So anyway, you're going to bake that.
Wait, come back with it.
Well, I'm going to show
I
you.
think it's cool.
All right.
And look at it filming it, Gretchen. Look at it. It's so cool. Okay, I'll be quiet. Go ahead.
All right, so basically that's it. I mean, I don't have a finished one to show you because I've already done it over here.
But
basically, when your brownie is cooled, you're going to flip it out.
Okay.
You're going to then put a layer of buttercream, as you can see what I did here. See that layer of buttercream? And you can actually see the Oreo baked inside, right?
So this is your cake?
That's the brownie.
Okay.
That's the Oreos that floated up to the top.
Okay.
Then I put a layer of buttercream, and then
Cool.
when the buttercream was cold, I put a layer of ganache.
That's cool.
And there you have rich, decadent chocolate Oreo brownies.
Made by the Crumb Boss.
Made by the Crumb Boss. And
This is beautiful.
really all I did was take more buttercream
Yeah. Oh, that's not a marshmallow.
and put a little, no, it's not a marshmallow, it's just a buttercream decoration.
This is cool. This is beautiful.
And then I cut my Oreos in half.
Is that your $56,000 knife?
Nah, this one
Okay.
was just part of the set.
Okay.
See that?
That's cool. You're so talented, Crumb
Oh,
Boss.
thank you.
It's like, it's like I've missed filming.
I
Where
know.
were you? Where have you been?
Where have you been? That's the question. The only reason we haven't filmed is because you've been out of town.
Yeah, but guess who's back?
Steph is back in action.
Yep.
Steph and the Crumb Boss.
Exactly. All right, so hold up your things.
Hold up your things.
Okay, good. All right, so here we have it. Oreo brownies. What's
Yeah.
the name of it?
Oreo brownies with the Crumb Boss.